guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome back to another cleaning video. Today's video is a power half hour and a method cleaning product haul. I recently popped onto their website and purchased some products that I have been meaning to try for such a long time. I hope you enjoy this video today and it gives you all the motivation that you need. And if you are new around here, hello, my name is Michelle. I'm a mum to 3 gorgeous children. I live in sunny Queensland, Australia with my husband Chris and our 3 beautiful kids. And here on my channel you will see lots of cleaning and organizing, and if you would like to see more shopping hauls, then I would love for you to comment below and let me know. I would also love for you to click that subscribe button today if you haven't already, and if you do enjoy this video, I would love for you to give it a big thumbs up so that way I know to make more videos like this. But I'm going to stop chatting and let's get into the video. So my method haul has just arrived. I normally get my method from Big W, but I decided to do it online. This is not sponsored in any way. I wish it was. I bought this with my own money, but I just thought I would give you a little haul. Method Power dishwashing tablets, pack of 45. The Sweet, oh, is it going to focus? The Sweet Water hand soap. Kitchen gel hand wash. Sparkling Clean Sea Minerals dish soap. Ooh, the anti-bac kitchen cleaner in the Sunny Citrus. These bottles seem a lot smaller than the ones in the UK and America though. It's not the same size as the other bottles, but can't wait to try these out. I have been wanting to try these out for so long and they had sold out. I got 2 bottles of those and 2 of each. There was only a limit on 2 how you could get, so I got 2 of each scent. And then I got the Wild Rhubarb. I have been waiting to try this for so long I've seen them on cleaning videos for a couple of years now, and Anti-Bac has just arrived in Australia, so I cannot wait to try that one. And my all-time favorite method bathroom cleaner, I got this one for our bathroom. I love the smell. And the heavy degreaser, I love that stuff. And then for the kids bathroom, I got the foaming tub and tile cleaner, just because we've got the bathtub in there. And that's the second Anti-Bac. Over here for our bathroom, I got the Daily Granite. Again, this bottle is a lot smaller than the ones that it used to be, so maybe there is 2 different sizes, but I got this for our bathroom vanity because it is marble. Floor cleaner refill. I was meant to get more wood for good and I forgot to order that. I thought that's what I ordered, and once I checked out and looked at my order, but what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pop that in my spray mop. So I just fill my spray mop up with this and then I just can squirt it out. And I got, oh, I've been wanting to try this too, the fabric softener, the Sage, Beach Sage, and they didn't have in stock the actual laundry detergent, but I bought this so in case it's sold out, and then when I shop again I'll get the laundry detergent. And then I got also the Method fabric softener in ginger and mango, and then the ginger and mango laundry detergent. So now I'm just going to go and smell them all.
I don't know where you came from. I don't know what you did to my heart. You touched my soul like a phantom, and you did it right from the start, like nobody is watching.
So before I start cleaning the laundry, I'm just going to pop a colored wash on, and I'm just going to use this ginger and mango laundry detergent. Oh my gosh, they all smell absolutely amazing, and I have been wanting to try this ever since I've seen Love Meg use it in her cleaning videos, and every time I look at it I'm like, I need to know what that smells like, and I can say it smells absolutely amazing. I came downstairs and I could smell the dryer on when I had it in the dryer, and oh my gosh, you know, that real nice, fresh, clean laundry smell. And then I'm just going to give everything a good wipe over with the Wood for Good cleaner. Again, I've told you before how much I absolutely love this wood cleaner. It smells amazing, and don't panic, I do change out my cloths. They do get pretty dusty. This is part of our renovation space downstairs, so there is a lot of dust, and you will see the window soon is pretty dirty on the outside, but I didn't go out and clean it because we are doing some construction work out there as well. And my gorgeous sign is from Juanita at Our Rustic Roots, and here is the Cupboard of Doom. I am not going to tackle that today. As I said, I'm only going to be doing 30 minutes of cleaning today, and tackling that cupboard was not part of it. And then I discovered that this jar that I have, and I've got my gorgeous label on it, was smashed at the back. I don't know how that happened, so I'm just going to put the excess powder in this Downy container I had and use that up when I need to do it. And yes, I do have a lot of laundry products out at the moment, and I still have some in the cupboard, but one thing I do love is laundry detergent. But I think I may have found the one that I will be sticking with, and it's definitely this ginger and mango from Method. The little stand that the laundry detergents are sitting on, my husband actually made for me, and then I painted him with the Rust-Oleum linen white chalk paint, and I think it came up really cute. I absolutely loved it. He got all the stuff from Bunnings to make that, and here's that dirty window, and here, this door, I just got that from a local flea market, and again I painted it with the linen white chalk paint. I absolutely love linen white chalk paint. And Chris built me this mudroom wall here as well. This is from upcycled products that we had, and if you want to find out more, then definitely head on over to my Instagram. I have a highlight on how Chris actually made that and how I made the seat cover. But I love this little space, and I cannot wait for our downstairs renovation because we will utilize this space a lot more. But this was one of my favorite rooms in the house, one of our favorite renos. But now that we've done our ensuite, which I will be revealing to you very soon, that is now my favorite room. But I do love this room, and I absolutely love my tiles.
But looking back, I can see it's all clear. I'm still a kid trying to act like they all taught me, but nothing makes sense anymore.
If this is your first time to my channel, I'd like to say welcome. I hope you do decide to stick around and join my YouTube family. I have now decided what schedule I am going to be doing for my videos, and that will be Monday, Wednesday and Friday mornings Australian Eastern Time at 5 a.m. That way I can chat with you. I am definitely an early bird, and that way I can chat in the comments and talk to you guys as well. But here I've just popped that wood cleaner into my co-cleaning spray bottle and spritzing the floor, and this has worked out really well. That way I can just fill it up and clean the floors.
That I wouldn't grow wiser for each day. Am I the only one lost in translation, where nothing makes sense anymore?
Baskets that I'm popping away now, I got them from Kmart. I don't believe they're still in stock, but Target has similar, and the labels on them I got from Little Label Co. All of my labels in my home are from there. And here I am just trying my hardest to unpack this runner that I purchased from Kmart, and I will link it below. I did buy two, and originally they were going to go into our ensuite reno, but I found some other rugs that I'm using in there, so I'm going to put one in my wardrobe and one down here, and I think it looks really, really pretty.
To grow up, 'cause nothing makes sense. No, nothing makes sense.
So a little bit later on, the washing is finished, and I'm just showing you here. It is a big stormy cloud. I do not use my dryer a lot. I only ever use it when it's raining. And yes, that is me sniffing the washing. I sniff the washing. I am one of those people that you will find in the laundry aisle smelling detergent, but this, guys, absolutely smells amazing. So if you can get your hands on some of this mango and ginger laundry detergent, then I cannot recommend it enough. And I'm just going to hang up the few items that I don't like popping in the dryer, like leggings and bike pants. And here is sweet little Pearl. She's come in to see what's going on. I have two beautiful border collies, Bonnie and Pearl, and if you have been following along for some time, I used to have my sweet beautiful pug called Kobe, who's no longer with us. And again, this is more time has passed, and I am just getting the washing out of the dryer. Again, I cannot say how amazing this smells. I'm just going to quickly fold it up, and then that is the end of the video. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I hope it gives you all the motivation that you need today. And here is Miss Pearl back again, and then I realized that she has rolled in horse poo. We have horses here, and so I've quickly washed my hands before folding again. But as I was saying, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you all the motivation that you need today, and I will definitely see you in my next video. Bye guys.